Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 3. I wanted to create a video for you guys, just kind of so we can know what's coming up in class, and also what the discussion was this past week, which I thought you guys did a great job on. So starting there with that discussion, the topic was that product Edmodo, and what I really wanted you guys to see was that learning management software and the different aspects it had. A lot of you guys hit on the collaboration piece, and then some people hit on some different features they really liked. The thing with learning management software is there is no one right answer. Edmodo might be the choice for some school or district, and they go with it, they run with it. With Mobap, we're on Canvas. That's our learning management system we're using. Google Classroom is a learning management system. It might not have quite all the features that some of these do, but it has other features that, if you already use Google Drive, are amazing. So the key there, I think, is really just finding one that works for you. I know sometimes you might be told which one you're going to use depending on your district. But make sure to use one, leverage one, especially if you're in a situation where you have Chromebooks, you have iPads. It can be very, very helpful in how to manage what you're doing with kids. And also it can be a great way, some of you brought up, of that communication piece, getting info out to parents, that type of thing. So enjoyed your guys' discussion on that. And I think it was worthwhile for you guys. I noticed a number of you had mentioned you hadn't heard of Edmodo. So whether you're going to use it or not, I think it's always good to explore new things and see what's out there. So looking ahead to week 3 and beyond, you guys are currently working on that wiki project. I know some of you have already gotten started on that. So keep that going. You're researching that tool. You guys are essentially, building a website. So for those of you that you didn't know you could design a website, you are. So you guys are doing a great job on that. And I really remember the directions are found within the wiki itself. So you can find everything in there. This week, there's really 3 new projects that come up. There's one that's a Google tool project assignment where I want you to focus on a specific Google tool. So if you read my bio, I'm a Google certified innovator. So I love using Google tools. So that's one of the projects is I do want you to look at something Google specifically makes, and you'll see the specifics of that assignment. The other 2 assignments, one is an e-portfolio, and then the other is a teacher website. Those aren't due till April 8th and April 18th, respectively. But I at least wanted you to know what was coming, so you might get started if you want to. I know things like a portfolio can sometimes stress people out. Don't stress too much on this one. All of the artifacts that go in this portfolio are the assignments you're creating for me for this class. So the only thing you'll have to do on the portfolio is write a reflection for each one of the artifacts, and then you'll have to write a final reflection. But the artifacts themselves are done. If you do the projects in this class, the artifacts will be done. So it's built that way. So don't stress too much about that. But I want you to be aware that that's coming. So this obviously there's a lot going on. So as I said in my first video, kind of those tips, stay on top of these things. My best advice to you, get the wiki project done this week, as early as possible, so you can then move on to that Google tool project. So just stay on top of them. Try the best you can. Try not to let those don't let them build up to where you're doing a whole lot at very last minute. Typically, those projects don't end up as well anyway. And I know you coach your kids on those things as well, too. So, again, great job on the discussion this week. And, if you run into any snags, you just let me know.